Hi everybody, Karen here. You know how I often say in my talks, when you're trying to change your life and it's like taking a train and putting it from one track to another. And in between, when the train is in between tracks, it gets a little dusty. Well, here's my house. I'm in the middle of painting and oh my God, is it dusty or what? It is a mess. The feelings that I have right now, I feel overwhelmed, helpless, hopeless, anxious. I feel like I don't have any time. I feel like I'm wasting my time. Um, there's so many feelings happening right now. And I just want to let you know that if you have any of those feelings, take a look around at your space. Is it bothering you in that way? I know a lot of people think it's just them, that they have anxiety and they should take a pill for it and things like that. And yes, there are some cases where that's true, but a disorganized space or a space that is not working for you in some way or another can be a part of the problem. Take a breath, breathe into it, and know that if you work on your environment, it can be at some level some help. So take it from me, I'm completely out of my mind, disheveled right now. But I know it's just a part of the process, and my train will be roaming around on the tracks, the new tracks, soon, and I'll be feeling great about it. So that's your tip for the day. I hope it helps. I can't even talk, I'm so disheveled. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.